How do immunotherapy breakthroughs harness the immune system for cancer? Imagine your body's defense system as a highly trained army, always on alert for invaders like viruses or bacteria. This army is made up of special cells called lymphocytes, including B cells and T cells, which work together to identify and destroy threats. When it comes to cancer, especially non-Hodgkin lymphoma, some of these lymphocytes can turn into cancer cells themselves, often hiding from the immune system or turning off immune responses to grow unchecked. That's where recent advances in immunotherapy come into play, helping your immune system recognize and fight cancer more effectively. One of the biggest breakthroughs involves immune checkpoint inhibitors. Think of immune checkpoints as brakes on immune cells that prevent them from attacking your own body. Cancer cells can exploit these brakes to avoid destruction. Drugs like pembrolizumab and nivolumab block these checkpoints, releasing the brakes and allowing T cells to attack cancer cells more vigorously. This approach has shown promising results in some lymphomas, helping the immune system do its job better. Another exciting development is adoptive cell therapy, especially CAR T cell therapy. In this process, doctors collect a patient's T cells, modify them in the lab to better recognize lymphoma cells, and then infuse them back into the patient. These engineered T cells, called CAR T cells, are designed to target specific proteins on lymphoma cells. Once inside the body, they seek out and destroy cancer cells. CAR T therapies like exatecan selalucel and tisagenlecleucel have been approved for certain types of non-Hodgkin lymphoma and have shown remarkable success, especially in cases where other treatments have failed. Researchers are also exploring ways to boost immune responses using cytokines, which are signaling proteins that help activate immune cells. For example, interleukin-2 and interleukin-15 can stimulate natural killer cells, another type of lymphocyte that can attack cancer. Scientists are working on ways to grow and activate these cells outside the body and then reintroduce them to fight lymphoma more effectively. Advances in mRNA technology, similar to what was used in COVID-19 vaccines, are also being studied for cancer. These vaccines aim to teach the immune system to recognize specific cancer markers, making tumors more visible and easier for immune cells to attack. While this research is still in early stages, it offers hope for future personalized cancer treatments. Despite these exciting advances, not everyone responds to immunotherapy. Scientists are investigating why some cancers resist these treatments, looking at factors like immune-suppressing proteins. They are also developing combination therapies to overcome resistance, such as blocking proteins that suppress immune responses while activating immune cells. Identifying biomarkers like microsatellite instability helps doctors predict which patients are most likely to benefit, allowing for more personalized treatment plans. For patients with non-Hodgkin lymphoma, immunotherapy options depend on the specific subtype and previous treatments. CAR T-cell therapy is now available for certain aggressive lymphomas, while other approaches like checkpoint inhibitors are being tested in clinical trials. The goal is to expand these options so more patients can benefit from harnessing their immune system. It's important to remember that immunotherapy can cause side effects, often related to immune overactivation, such as inflammation in organs. These are usually manageable with medical care. While immunotherapy offers the potential for long-lasting responses and even remission, it is not a cure for everyone. Ongoing research continues to improve these therapies, making them safer and more effective. Always consult healthcare professionals when considering treatment options. They can help determine the best approach based on your individual health and the latest scientific evidence. Immunotherapy has transformed cancer treatment by empowering your immune system to fight back, especially for conditions like non-Hodgkin lymphoma. While it is not a one-size-fits-all solution, these advances offer new hope and demonstrate how understanding and harnessing the immune system can make a real difference in cancer care.